Okay, for this project, we're gonna do a quick little term paper of 750 to 1,000 words at least. You could go a little more if you want. Around 750 to 1,000 words. It's about 3 pages. And for this term paper, we're gonna choose a topic from either graphic design, web design, art and design, cybersecurity, internet advances, apps, new technology trends, any of those type of choices. Okay, we're going to do a quick little research paper. We have to have at least 6 references. And then we're going to type the paper in Microsoft Word. And our references should be APA formatted. Okay, I'm not real concerned about the rest of the paper being formatted like that, but the references should be APA formatted. I have my term paper done. We have it saved. And I also have some images that I'm going to use in my website, in this term paper website. We're taking this term paper and we're going to create a website with this term paper like it's an article for an online magazine, an online tech or design magazine. So I have my article here in a folder. I have several images, and then we're going to put this on a WordPress website. So I'll show you how to sign up for a WordPress account. What I did in Google, I searched for WordPress.com. There's a couple type of WordPress. There's WordPress.org, where you can download software and work on both the front and back side of WordPress free of charge. Only issue with that, you have to find your own hosting, whether through Bluehost or some other hosting service. And it's a little more challenging to use. Now we also have a WordPress.com, which is totally online, which lets you work primarily from the front end of a website. It's a great way and pretty easy way to create websites and blogs. Now, a pretty big percentage of personal websites and businesses websites are made from WordPress sites today. Okay, so let's get started here. We're going to create our WordPress website like it's an online magazine or an online tech magazine. And our term paper that we've written is going to be the feature article. Okay, so before we start creating this magazine, we may want to think about, well, what do I want the name of this online magazine or tech or design or graphic design magazine to be? I'm going to call mine Tech and Design. Okay, so now I'm ready to sign up for my WordPress.com account and create my website. In Google, I'm searching for WordPress.com, which should bring up this link. Click here. And it should come on a page like this, create website. Sometimes it says create blog, or both of them. It doesn't really matter. You can click on either of these. Okay, and it may take you to a couple different pages. We have this page here that has some pre-made website layouts, or what they call themes, and we can pick any of these. And sometimes it comes up to a list of different type of web design or website topics you can choose, and you can pick any of those and it should bring you back to this page. Well, we're going to skip this page for now, so let's say skip for now. And it'll come up to this page. What we want to do is sign up for our WordPress account. First thing it asks is put a domain name or a keyword in here. I'm going to use the name of my design, tech and design online magazine. So I'm going to say tech and design. I can put some spaces in between there, I guess. And then hit enter. And it'll take a second, and they'll try to find some domain names that'll fit this. Now, the first one's free, the other ones you're going to have to pay. Well, we don't want to do that. You're welcome to if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I want to do it for free. So I'm going to choose Tech and Design 2016.wordpress.com. And you should write that down somewhere. And I'm going to say select. Once again, we want to pick the free plan. And then you're going to enter an email address. Choose a username. and a password. Okay, that's up to you. Definitely choose a working email address because we're going to have to verify this account through your email address. Choose a username or use the one they have placed here. Then choose a password. Please, at this point, pause and write down all this information. Write down your email address, your username, and the password you use so you don't forget when you want to come back and change this thing. And then we'll hit Create Account. That's going to take you into WordPress and let you start creating your blog. But before you do that, I also want you to pause and go to that email address that you entered here. I want you to open your email, and there should be a message from WordPress. I want you to verify your new account through that message. That will let you actually publish your website for free today. Okay, so make sure you go through that, your email, open up that WordPress message, and verify your new account. And then we'll come back to WordPress.